You searched how to buy shares of Obiz SA. This short guide walks through the steps using the ALBIZ.PA ticker. Obiz SA is listed on Euronext under ALBIZ.PA and operates in an industrial manufacturing and technology field. This is educational content, not financial advice. To trade ALBIZ.PA, you need a broker account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a buy order. Open the platform search bar and type the ticker ALBIZ.PA to find Obiz SA. Make sure you select the correct Euronext listing in the search results. On the Obiz SA asset page, you will see basic company details and a price chart to review recent movement. Confirm the company name and the ALBIZ.PA ticker to ensure this is the right stock. To buy, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may become a limit or pending order depending on the platform. If your funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before allowing the final confirmation. After the purchase, your Obiz SA position appears in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. Check the description for the demo link to eToro if you want to follow the same steps.